Kia ora ana. My name is Maria Harreguy. I completed a Bachelor of Commerce in Professional Accounting at USP. I currently do software implementation and also contract work. I currently have a contract with Infim where I do migration of their financial data into their new centralized accounting software. And I also run a sign writing business with my husband called Hori Signs. How did USP prepare me for my career? I'll put it this way. If USP wasn't in Rara, I wouldn't have a career in accounting. When I studied back in between 2013 and 2016, the internet was different to what it is now. Online studying was quite new, and because it was quite slow, to do the satellite tutorials, it was better to come to campus. It was a big thing to download the files afterwards and watch them. So one of the papers I did, it was on a Sunday night. So I had to come to school on Sunday nights, and USP will leave the satellite tutorial room unlocked for me to come and attend the tutorials live. That was a student life. And also my second to last paper, I had to do a paper that wasn't available online and it wasn't available at campus. So USP had to really help me out and find an alternative paper for me to be able to complete the degree. So they were really, really accommodating. What inspired me to study or to complete the degree, I suppose, was probably the fact that I wanted to have kids. And my husband said, we should have kids after I finished studying. So I went full speed and I did 3 papers every semester, every summer school, every winter school. And I completed it as soon as it was possible. Tip, I suppose, for current students, I would say ask your employer if they're keen to pay for your studies. My studies were completely paid by Maria Cook Islands, and while I was working full-time with them, and I will be forever grateful. Many businesses will want to have their staff upskill, so they'll be keen for pay for your studies in return for a few years of work with them. For recent graduates, I'd say stay curious. Be curious about everything you see in your workplace and your environment and on the internet. It will help you find that thing or the things that you will enjoy doing for a living.